Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wei Chen, and I'm from the University of Wollongong. This presentation is for the ENGG 851 Engineering Research Method, and my student number is 4959553. And in this presentation, my topic is about the sustainable structure design. Yeah, it's my outline of this presentation. First of all is the introduction, and then is the literature review and the research design of all. Okay, now we are going to the introduction. As we know, the environmental issues are very significant nowadays. Whatever in my sustainable the structure design or the other field of in the world is very important. Like the energy consuming, the carbon dioxide released due to the phenomenon problem, and the construction waste, the rubbish from the field you do, your career. Yeah. Thus, the sustainable structure design is playing an increasing important, significant role recently in for each architecture or engineers. As I know, the sustainable structure design is always in these three parts: the design method, the structure materials, and the construction life cycle. And in my topic, in this presentation, I'm going to follow the main research is about the construction materials. Okay, now is the literature review from the research of the references. First off is the methodology. Methodology will always analyze the engineers or architecture when they design the building or construction. They always analyze the current environmental situation and find problem and solution. Design sustainable construction with own knowledge of the environmental friendly knowledge, of the sustainable knowledge, like kind of that. And then make the point decision of the building is the minimizing material use and minimizing production energy and minimizing the embodied energy and maximizing the life cycle analyzing. And then is the material, the structure material of sustainable design, the construction. It can reduce buildings' maintenance and lifetime cost of waste disposal and energy conservation, and improve occupant health and productive, and reduce space consumption caused by the structure changes, and larger design flexibility. That is a very important way of the structure materials used in the sustainable construction design. Now, as we can see, this is the new material we call engineered timber. It is like it can be exhibition center or the museum, like this the shape of the timber. And now it's going to the life cycle of the design. The life cycle for the target system combines the characteristics of engineering structures. It analyzes the structural meaning of the design performance, cost life cycle, and the relationship. Okay, let's move on. It's about the research design. It's my own research from the literature review or the experience. It's all about the materials we use to design the sustainable construction. The first of all is the texture reinforcing concrete. As we can see, the picture is the steel with the concrete we used. And in the texture reinforced concrete, we can find that a lot of new concrete, the new style of concrete we use nowadays to build the environmental friendly. And the following three kinds of the concrete is played a big percentage of the new concrete actually. And first is we call the autoclave aggregate concrete. And second is foam concrete and lightweight aggregate concrete. These three concrete are very important to play in the design of the structure. And we have an example in the Australia actually. In Melbourne, the Bruce Place is a 5 levels building. In this building, we use the new concrete that lead to the concrete strength from 40 million pascal to 61.2 million pascal, and save $99,000 for each floor actually, and reduce 50% construction cost. That's really a large amount of money. And the concrete characteristics is with the workability and durability. There's a lot of advantage actually to use the new concrete, and high strength of the concrete, high strength of the building, and but low cost. That's really good for the building actually. Okay, the second is about the structure steel. The advanced steel nowadays, it has the characteristic of the lightweight, the short resistance, and high degree of industrialization, and recycling easily, improve strength actually. So a lot of advanced strength, the industrial improvement nowadays for thousands of years, and it is really significant for us to build the construction with this advanced steel. And finally is we call engineered timber. As we can see in this picture, actually timber is the wood. We can use timber in build the shape we want of the construction. And so the nature materials, like we discussed now, the timber has the advantage with the environmental friendly. Of course, it's friendly, and it has particular mechanical performance. Like the timber can build in every shape that you want, and not like the concrete it has. And it collects easily. We do not have the special thing to build it, to make it up, but you can just click in the nature. Yeah. And then, okay, so that's all my presentation. And inclusion, we see that the sustainable building design is really important and playing an increasing important role in nowadays recently. So a lot of architects and engineers are focused on the sustainable design to make our work environmentally friendly more and more economic, we can say that. So, but I believe that more and more the methods and the materials will be discussed and found to build the sustainable design, the structure design. So that's a good beginning, and we are following to continue the sustainable way, make our work better. So that's all my presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Thanks.